Wrestlemania 10, Madison Square Garden, Sunday afternoon, March 20th, with an unprecedented match. And who better to give it to you? Shawn Michaels, a ladder match. 2 belts hanging.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the following contest, there are no rules. The only way to win is to ascend the ladder and remove both belts to become the undisputed Intercontinental Champion. Introducing first, accompanied by Big Daddy Cool Diesel from San Antonio, Texas, weighing 234 pounds, Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels has his sights set on Razor Ramon and the Intercontinental Championship hanging over the ring.
And his opponent from Miami, Florida, weighing 289 pounds, Razor Ramon.
You talk about the bad guy. Take a look at him. Here he comes right now. I can tell you one thing. This is going to be a grueling matchup. Who will climb the ladder of success and become the undisputed Intercontinental Champion here at Wrestlemania 10?
As far as I'm concerned, Shawn Michaels is the undisputed Intercontinental Champion. The original champ, never beaten for the title. What else can you say?
This capacity crowd is ready to witness the first ever WrestleMania ladder match. These two have been battling since the fall of 1993. HBK was stripped of the Intercontinental Championship due to inactivity.
Right. And after that completely unjust action, Razor Ramon defeated Rick Martel to claim the vacated title.
HBK then showed up with his own Intercontinental Championship and refutes Razor Ramon's claim as champion, claiming HBK never lost the title.
The only way to settle this is here tonight. Both championships are hanging overhead. The first person to retrieve both titles is the undisputed Intercontinental Champion.
How in the world did he counter that? And the impact. And down he goes. Man, oh man.
Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can...
Oh, what a nasty shot with that ladder.
That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent. You've got to be kidding me. He's still not through. Oh, don't slip. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
Up the ladder, and this one could end right here.
He's up there, and he's starting to take down the title.
A kick. It's not pretty, but it's effective. He was ready for that one.
He missed. The reversal from Razor Ramon. Watch out!
Razor Ramon sending HBK a message. If you want my Intercontinental title, you're going to have to take it from the bad guy.
I think HBK would disagree with you about who the true Intercontinental Champion is, JR.
HBK wasn't fulfilling his contractual obligations and was stripped of the Intercontinental Championship. If HBK has a problem with that, he should look in the mirror.
But he never lost the title, JR. He was wrongfully stripped of the championship. And now he has to win his own championship back. He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Down goes Michaels. What physicality. Oh, come on, ref. Folks, Ramon is just waiting to get his man in the right position. He has absolutely no idea what just hit him.
Oh, man. I think Ramon's going to take him to the edge.
Never before have we seen two extraordinary competitors compete in a ladder match. Razor off the ropes. Oh, look out! Razor Ramon's going down to the outside, right in front of us. When it matters most, HBK always rises to the occasion.
It's easy to rise to the occasion when you have a monster like Diesel lifting you up.
Diesel coming in now. Total clothesline.
A clothesline right in front of the ref.
He's thrown out of the Garden. Diesel's going to be thrown out of WrestleMania 10.
This is definitely going to even things out.
It absolutely will, King. Listen to this crowd. Listen to this response. Shawn Michaels might be brash. He might be defiant. He might love the spotlight. But you must remember that Michaels can back it up like nobody else. Oh, and a nice elbow. And he gets out of there. Quite frankly, that might have been his smartest move in the match.
Oh, look at the emotion. Watch it. He looks fired up here.
Oh, he sucked him back in off that Irish whip, and you see the results.
I don't know how much more damage he can take.
Oh, what a shot from that ladder.
Man, I think something snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human.
And he's knocked down. Now will he go for the title or dish out more punches?
Man, I think something snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human.
Folks, Ramon is just waiting to get his man. Some people call Shawn Michaels arrogant. One can't help but think that Shawn underestimated Razor Ramon tonight.
Come on, Shawn. All right, I'll admit it. I'm a little worried now. I didn't expect Razor Ramon to test HBK to his limits.
Razor Ramon is
Look at this. Look at this. They're brawling now up on top of the ladder. Here we go. The title may be coming down right now. Come on, pull harder. He's having a seriously hard time getting back to his feet after that. Oh my gosh, he nearly cuts him. He's really cinched in up. They got a pull. He's going back up. Oh man, this is so dangerous. One of these competitors won't be there for long.
nice reversal. And he gets taken right off that ladder.
Look at this. I love it. Michaels is a performer.
He almost beheaded his opponent with that close up the ladder. And this is so dangerous.
Oh,
That's not going to feel good tomorrow. Well, it's no surprise that Razor Ramon is one of the meanest, roughest, and toughest to ever compete in WWE. What can I say? The man has machismo and can back it up in. That had to hurt. Up the ladder, and this one could end right here.
scoop slam.
Good grief. Razor Ramon's going down to the outside.
What's Razor Ramon doing?
He's removing the padding. The concrete is exposed.
That's the sort of thing that ends careers, JR.
The self-proclaimed bad guy will go to any lengths to defend his title here tonight.
Here we go. Razor's Edge.
Shawn Michaels with a desperation move sends Razor Ramon to the concrete.
Boy, there's no way he's going to be able to stand after that.
And roll back into the ring now.
Whoa! HBK dodged that one. Oh, these ladder matches are so dangerous. Stay down! Stay down!
Oh my! He's got a foreign object.
Oh my gosh! He came down on that ladder! Just look at this. You can see the results from that move. Clothesline!
Down he goes.
Oh no! No! Don't do this! Don't do this! Oh!
Oh, a smack in the face with a steel ladder.
Man, I think something snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human. Well, he's got his opponent, and what's he going for here? Oh, not again!
He timed that perfectly.
And that knocked him into the middle of the next century. This won't make any friends. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Shawn Michaels.
And that knocked him into the middle of the next century. Well, think about what you're doing.
Oh, what a shot from that ladder. And now constructing a diabolical setup with that ladder. Shawn Michaels looks to be in no... And it goes running.
Ribcage first into that ladder.
That ladder has been a difference maker.
Did you hear the impact from that clothesline?
He set that up brilliantly.
Oh, no, no! Don't do this! Don't do this!
Up the ladder. And this is so dangerous.
That's it.
Pull.
He's really cinched in up there.
Got a pull.
Just give it another good tug. Oh, man. I think Ramon's going to take him to the edge. He's heading back up. That's it.
Pull.
He's really cinched in up there.
Got a pull. Does he have it? He did it! Some people call Shawn Michaels arrogant.
Here is your winner and new undisputed WWE Intercontinental Champion, Razor Ramon.
Razor Ramon has done it. He has captured both Intercontinental titles.
I can't believe it.
Razor is the undisputed WWE Intercontinental Champion. But at what price? What did it cost him?
I don't think either of these superstars will ever be the same. These matches leave a permanent mark on you.
What a matchup with Shawn Michaels.